Hi, I'm Tristan Gull from the Peace Coalition. Did you ever feel like you couldn't talk about your mental health struggles to your family, friends, or community because they just wouldn't understand? Were you just told to be strong or think positively? Well, the truth is you're not alone. Mental health has been long stigmatized in our country and continues to have a long-term, severe effect on our citizens.
Did you know that severe bouts of depression are more common through early and middle adolescence in the Caribbean? Well, the Peace Ambassadors Training Camp strives to destigmatize conversations around mental health and foster psychosocial development through training young people to be peace ambassadors.
This unique training will include self-expression through the visual arts and performing arts, sports, meditation, workshops, and mentorship. After we have equipped them, they will carry out their own mental health initiatives within their community.
The project will first be piloted in Contaro Village, Santa Cruz, and hopefully spread to communities across the country.